This is how to use cinematic and dynamic styles in Leonardo AI for beginners. Let's start with the dynamic preset. This style is designed to add energy and movement to your images. You apply the dynamic style, you'll notice brighter colors, more intense contrasts, and sharper edges. Dynamic is fantastic for action scenes, fantasy landscapes, or character portraits where you want the colors to be vibrant and the details to stand out dramatically. Next, we have the cinematic style. Cinematic is all about creating a mood. This preset adds a subtle, film-like quality to your image. You might also notice a softer, more balanced contrast that gives the image a polished, almost movie-still look. Cinematic is perfect for scenes where you want a more atmospheric feel. It's less intense than dynamic, offering more of an emotional classic look. As we can see, Leonardo did a pretty good job with both of these styles using a simple prompt, like an ancient city. Now let's use a more complex prompt, like this one. So when should you use each one? If you want an image that jumps off the screen and grabs attention, go with dynamic. It's ideal for high-energy visuals or when you want to highlight a lot of detail and texture. On the other hand, if you're aiming for a sophisticated storytelling quality with balanced tones and a more refined look, cinematic is the better choice. It's perfect for giving your image a professional, film-like vibe, especially for backgrounds or scenes where you want viewers to feel immersed.